So we can measure angles in degrees, and we can measure angles in radians, and we can also convert between the two. So because 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, to convert between the two, to get from degrees to radians, we multiply by pi over 180 and simplify. To get from radians to degrees, we multiply by 180 over pi and simplify. So on number 6, I'm going to multiply by pi over 180 and simplify. So if you just type 105 divided by 180 on your calculator and then reduce the fraction. So I don't actually type the pi in on the calculator. It's going to be 7 over 12, and then you can just put the pi in manually. So 105 degrees is equivalent to 7 pi over 12 radians. And again, we don't need to write the word radians because it's assumed. So I'm going to multiply by pi over 180. And then take 45 divided by 180 on your calculator and reduce, and you get 1/4. So it's 1/4 pi, or you can write this as pi over 4. Okay, so the other direction, starting out with radians and going to degrees, I want to multiply by 180 over pi. Now here we can see that the pi's actually cancel out, so you don't need to worry about do I put it, do I not put it, in the calculator, that is. So they cancel out. So 7 times 180 divided by 6, and we get 210, and this is degrees. And you have to put the degree symbol, otherwise it's assumed to be radians. Even without the pi, it would be assumed to be radians. You can have radian measures that don't have pi, so make sure you put degrees when it's degrees. So times 180 over pi, the pi's cancel out. I'm actually having pumpkin pie for supper tonight. 8 times 180 divided by 3, we get 480 degrees. And that's our answer.